Hey everybody, it's Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group where we help you finish what you start and use that beautiful stash that you have sitting on your shelf. So check the link below for more information on how you can join me and sew all year long. So I got thinking about our Christmas presents or holiday gifts that we give during the season. Usually it is a lot. Quilters are generous, and we tend to love to sew for others. I mean, really, we do. And with this, I have one quilt that I need to finish quilting it. So I actually need to get it on the long arm. So running out of time, but of course it needs to be done and I will have it finished. But with that, I was thinking, some fun poem or little something card we can stick with our gift would be a lot of fun. And so I put together a few poems with the help of ChatGPT. They are in a printable version. So it's in a PDF. You can choose which one you want, print off as many as you need, and it is super simple to use. They're going to look something like this, and I will show you what they are and how you can use them in your gift giving during the holidays. When you get the PDF, they are all put together, so you're going to have to just choose which ones you want to use individually and print off as many as you need. There are 2 per piece of paper, so that actually, they're kind of larger, but that allows you to either sign the bottom, or when you cut these apart, you can write on the back side. I printed these off on just regular paper, but feel free to print them on thicker cardstock, so it's more card-like. It'll hold up a little bit better. I do think though that, printing them on, if you have normal paper, just use normal paper, cut them in half, and then you can go ahead and glue these to a thicker piece of paper, or a super cute scrapbooking piece of paper would be a lot of fun for the backside. So, just use what you have. It's practically perfect, so you don't need to worry too much about getting it perfect. So there are a couple different layouts. We've got ones that are horizontal, and then we have some that are vertical. So they each show off some digital art that I picked up kind of a couple years ago, and I haven't used any of it, and I thought this is the perfect place to stick them. So that is just really a quick look at the gift cards, poems that you can stick with your gift giving during the holidays. I hope you enjoy them. Let me know in the comments if you've picked up a copy for yourself and how you are going to be using this. Which one is your favorite as well? They're kind of cheesy. They're kind of cute, fun. I always, when I give a quilt, usually I say a sip, a snack, and a snuggle. And so I've kind of incorporated it in a few of these, but they aren't anything fancy. With the help of chat, we came up with a few that I really thought were fun and could add a little bit of something to your gift giving this holiday season.